back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Crystal Perkins. You may have heard of my business, Perkins Marketing, where I have my first $6,500 a week drop shipping on Shopify. So in this video, we're gonna be covering how you can make an extra $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Okay, so to a lot of people that sounds like crazy amounts of money. Sounds like, no, that can't be real. No, it can't be true. No, it can't. Go ahead and exit out of this video if you are one of those people who has that kind of mindset, because if you don't believe that you can do it, then you're probably not gonna do it. If you're not gonna put in the time, the effort, all of the research, everything that you need to do in order to start making more money online or more money in your brand or more money for your business, then you're probably not gonna get there if you don't already believe it yourself. Well, let's start here. I believe that you can do it. So if you believe that you can do it too, make sure you keep watching this video and go ahead and give it a thumbs up and comment below your favorite tip from this video. And before we get into this video, today's discount code is going to be TIPS. So TIPS. So today is just $5,000 tips, how you can make $5,000 a month. So just use the code TIPS on my website, joinperkinsmarketing.com, and you can go ahead and get a 50% off for the first 24 hours that this video is live. Okay, so jumping right into this video, how can you make an extra $5,000 a month? First and foremost, you obviously have to be selling something. Whether you want to sell your services, you want to go cut grass, you want to start doing nails, you want to start doing hair, whatever it is, you want to start doing lashes, you need to be either selling a product or you need to be selling services, or you could be like me and sell both. So the best thing to do is to sell both. Like, I have my marketing services where I'll do your advertising for you, or I'll do your website for you, but I also have my books that I can go ahead and ship out to you if you want to just start doing it yourself and learn how to do it yourself. So I sell services and I sell products, and I also drop ship in the background. So we're gonna get to all that in this video. First and foremost, the first thing you need to do is ask yourself, what do I want to sell? What am I going to offer? Am I gonna offer my services? Am I gonna offer products? Do I wanna start selling t-shirts? Do I wanna start making wigs? What is it that you actually want to do? Ask yourself right now, what am I good at? What am I good at? And then also ask yourself, what do I enjoy doing? Because at the end of the day, if you don't enjoy doing it, you're probably not going to do it that often. So you're not really going to make the extra money because you hate doing it and it's a drag. So ask yourself, what do I love doing? What can I turn into a passion, and what can I get paid for? So the first thing you need to ask yourself is, what am I going to do? What are you gonna sell? So are you gonna sell products? If so, you need to start doing your vendor research. Find a vendor who can get you your products for cheap. And also, if you haven't heard about drop shipping, there are vendors out there who will go ahead and fulfill your orders for you. So let's say you get some orders for lashes. Your vendor might actually send your lashes out for you instead of you having to have a bunch of lashes at your house. But that is something that you would have to discuss with your vendor and ask them if they offer drop shipping. That is called drop shipping. You get the orders, you pay your vendor, and then they send it for you. So ask your vendor about drop shipping and ask, do they offer that service? If you're going to be offering a service instead of selling products, you're going to be selling your services. Maybe you're going to start doing websites for people or logos for people. Maybe you're going to start editing people's YouTube videos. If you're going to start selling a service, you need to go ahead and set up your website and start getting into the mindset of accepting pay for your services. So go ahead and get your website up, what services you're going to offer, get your product image going, get your description so you can tell people what they're actually getting for their money, and then also put a price on it. You want to go ahead and have a price on it so that when people come to you and say, hey, can you do this for me? Hey, can you do that for me? You're not like, oh, here's my Cash App. That's not very trusted. I actually don't feel comfortable in 2019 selling or purchasing with a Cash App. I just don't feel comfortable. I feel like I look unprofessional, and I also feel like you look unprofessional doing it too. No shade, no tea. That's just how I feel. Sorry. Not really. You need to go ahead and upgrade. It's time to get a Wix, a Weebly, a Square, a Shopify, a WordPress, anything. I offer web design. I can make your website for you. All you need to do is know what you want on your website. I'll upload the products, everything. But you can do that yourself. Go ahead and eliminate that fee of thinking you need to pay for a logo or pay for a website. I will show you how to do all that for free. So now that you know if you're gonna sell products or services, now that you know you need a website, now that you know that you need a vendor, what are you gonna do next? You're gonna start networking. So if you're selling products, you're selling services, you need to start getting out of the house and getting to some events. Start reserving tables, start meeting new people in your area, start meeting new clients. I've met a lot of my clients just going to regular events in my area. One of the events that I went to was just a networking women love wine networking event. It wasn't anything to do with marketing. It was a networking event with entrepreneurs that love wine, and that's why we were there. It was a wine tasting event, but I reserved a table and I set up and I sold my books. Therefore, I met more clients. I met people who needed web design. I met people who bought my books. I met people who needed a logo. That is how you start meeting new clients. If there's like a hair event near you, maybe there's a hair salon that just opened and it has a lot of new clients coming in, you should go in there too. Start giving your cards out, you know, start meeting new people. I've gone to salons that just opened and networked with people, and even networked with the owner of the salon and talked to them about maybe marketing and advertising for them. So now that you know what you're gonna sell, now you know what products you want, now you know what service you want, now you have your website, now it's time to start getting out there and networking. You need to get some business cards made. I used Vistaprint, but if you don't have someone design your business card for you, it's not gonna look right when you upload it on Vistaprint. So you probably should go over to Fiverr, Fiverr.com, have somebody go ahead and design your business card for you. It's about $15, and then upload that design on Vistaprint for about $20. You can get 500 business cards. There's no reason you shouldn't have business cards, guys. There's no reason that you shouldn't be promoting yourself everywhere you go. I literally go out to lunch with people sometimes, and people ask me what I do, and I give them my business card. It's right there in my purse. It's right there in my wallet. You should always have a business card on you. Your business card is going to make you money. Keep promoting. When you're networking, you need to be offering something free. Maybe an ebook, maybe a consultation, maybe, I don't know, maybe you have a blog that has lots of information on it. Promote your YouTube channel. My YouTube channel has lots of value. People get lots of value from my YouTube. They make money from my YouTube videos, and then they eventually come over to me and then pay me to help them make more money. So I would promote my YouTube. I would promote my ebooks. I would promote a webinar. Maybe you have a webinar coming up. Maybe you want to host a webinar. Host a webinar. Tell them about the free webinar. Give away free value so that when they come to you, they're getting something for free. And if they're getting something for free from you, free value, then they're going to initially want to pay you for more value, because they're going to think, wow, if the free value is this good, if the free information is this good, imagine the information I would get if I actually paid for this information. If a free consultation is this good, imagine what I would get if I paid for them to do my hair. You know, there's so many different things that you can offer. And if you have any questions about what you should offer or what field you want to be in, comment below. I will always answer you guys' questions. I love talking with you guys. I love to have discussions with you guys. Just make sure you ask me the questions. I have a lot of discussion with you guys on my live on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you're missing out, because I go live every day at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard, and I answer a lot of business related questions. So your business card is going to be one of your marketing materials. That's what you're going to be using in order to market yourself when you're networking. Another thing is influencers. You need to be reaching out to influencers and having them promote you and have them advertise for you and market for you, because you want to go ahead and start getting your name out there, getting more exposure, and initially building your email list. So if you have influencers that are sending traffic to your Instagram or sending traffic to your website, you need to be collecting those emails. So even if those people aren't buying anything, they need to see a pop-up when they come to your site that says, enter your email for 20% off your order today. They enter their email, they get a coupon, they check out, you get an email, and you're able to email them when you post new products, when you have new products, when you have new deals, when you're running new sales, everything like that. You want to go ahead and start building that email list. I cannot stress this enough, guys. Your email. Look at your phone right now and tell me if you have any unread emails from today, maybe from Fashion Nova, maybe from Nordstrom or Neiman Marcus. You know, there's somebody who's sending you emails right now. Let me look at my phone. Let's see, I got one from Zillow, I got one from Tanai the Science Guy, which is a friend of mine, and then I have one from Publix. Why do I have one from Publix? One of the only unread emails you have is from Publix. All right, moving on. You want to go ahead and build your email list, and I will get more into depth about that in another video. How to build your email list, how to send your emails, what you should be saying in your emails, what subjects to use in order to get more opens, everything like that. But you want to go ahead and start building your email list. 50% of your sales are going to come from your emails. I told you how to make $5,000 a month. That means $2,500 of that $5,000 is going to come from you sending emails at 8 a.m. and sending emails at 8 p.m. because those are the two best times to send emails during the day. You can do 6 a.m. if you want, but that's the best time, because when people first pick up their phone, you want them, the first thing they see is your email and then a catchy subject. You know, the first thing you're gonna do is open that email and initially check out. You know what you're gonna be selling, you have your products, you have your services, you have your vendor, you have your website, you have your email list, you're doing everything that you're supposed to be doing, you have your brand ambassadors, you have your influencers, you have your marketing materials, you're going to networking events, you're getting your tables, you have your business cards, you have everything that you need in order to start making money. What are other ways to make money other than selling your services or selling your product and initially branding yourself? Drop shipping. You can drop ship on eBay and on Amazon. Now, with that, you're going to be creating an eBay or an Amazon. Amazon, you don't have to create a PayPal, but for eBay, you do have to create a PayPal to go ahead and start accepting services, or to go ahead and start accepting payments. So once you go ahead and get those set up, you wanna go over to Walmart, Kmart, Target, Lowe's, Home Depot, wherever it is that you wanna go, and you wanna find products that are trending. So you could even Google Walmart's best sellers and then go from that. So you want to find those products that are trending. Once you find those products, go ahead and copy the description of that product and Google it. Stay with me now, I know this is a little tricky. Copy the description of that product, Google it, and see if it's selling on eBay. If it's selling on eBay for about $20 to $30 more, you can also sell it on eBay. Once it sells on eBay, you can then get the product from Walmart, Home Depot, all that, and then send it to the customer and end up making a $30 to $40 profit if you include shipping, because most people have free shipping, and then if you charge for shipping, you're basically getting that, you know, that's just extra profit for you. Little finesse. So that is how you would go ahead and drop ship. Same thing with Amazon. It's literally the same exact process, except Amazon charges a $39.99 monthly subscription fee, and eBay does not. But eBay does have fees for selling, so make sure you're doing all your research on, you know, transaction fees and everything like that. Everybody has them. It doesn't matter who you sell through. When you sell through PayPal, they take a percentage. When you sell with Stripe, they take a percentage. It doesn't matter who you sell with. You're always going to have to pay transaction fees. I hate when people complain about transaction fees as if everybody doesn't have transaction fees. Like literally every single person in the world who is processing payments has a transaction fee, I promise you. The last thing I want to go ahead and share with you guys is affiliate marketing. So if you do want to do affiliate marketing and you are an affiliate with maybe Shopify or Amazon or whoever it is that you want to be an affiliate with, you can go ahead and start promoting in your email, promoting on your YouTube, promoting on your Insta story with the swipe up feature, wherever it is you want to promote. Like for instance, I recently did a video on this mic right here, and I had an affiliate link in the description. So if you did click on that link and you went ahead and bought this mic, I did receive a percentage of that sale. So thank you very much to the person who bought that mic. So when you go ahead and buy that mic, I do get a percentage, and that is called being an affiliate. So I promoted the mic, I told you guys why you should buy the mic, you initially bought the mic, and I received a percentage, but Amazon received most of it, of course, because that's where you bought it from. But you can also do that as well, and that is free money. You can promote something as simple as a phone case. I could even promote this t-shirt. If I find this shirt on Amazon or something similar to this shirt on Amazon, I could promote it. My cross, I could promote that. Like anything, you can promote anything you want. Whatever you think people are gonna buy, promote it. And find an affiliate or find a vendor for you to be an affiliate. So there are even places like Dodo Lashes where you can get a percentage if you get people to buy lashes. Anything on Amazon you can promote, like literally anything, because there's a link for everything, and if you post the link and somebody clicks on the link and buys, you get a percentage. Shopify, every time you guys click the link below and you sign up for a free trial with Shopify, I get paid for that too. I think it's like $27 per person, and I get like a couple a day. So that's another way that I make money. So that's another way that you can start making $5,000 a month. And if you think about it like this, 5,000 divided by 4 is $1,250. So that's $1,250 a week. If you break that up between all the ways that I told you to make money, it's not that hard to reach that goal. $1,250 divided by 7 days a week. So you have to make $1,250 a week divided by 7. That's $178 a day. So if you can make about $180 a day, you can make $1,250 a week, and you can make $5,000 a month. Break it down. So when you break it down like that, I know it sounds a lot simpler, it's not as crazy, and it's like, whoa, maybe I can make $5,000 a month. You can, and you will. And when you do, I want you to comment on this video and tell me how I helped you. All right guys, so that brings this video to an end. I want to thank you all so much for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in again. Make sure you thumbs up this video, comment below your favorite part of this video, and as usual, watch another video, and make sure you use that coupon code, and then make sure you use that coupon code TIPS so you can go ahead and get 50% off of my site today. All right guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.